day and welcome to another amazing episode on Health Zone, and today we are going to talk about the neem leaves, the health benefits of neem leaves, all that you can get, how you can use this as a remedy at home. Let's go for a quick break. When we come back, we'll get our neem tree in details. Welcome back from that break. Now, the health benefits of neem. The neem, also known as Azadirachta indica, is a type of evergreen tree native to India. In Ayurvedic medicine, neem extract has long been used for a variety of health-related purposes, including asthma, constipation, cough, diabetes, gastric ulcers, indigestion, periodontal disease, and urinary tract infections. Now, neem is also purported to reduce inflammation, improve liver health, alleviate pain, preserve eyesight, stimulate the immune system, and protect against heart diseases. Neem is solid in capsule, texture, powder, oil, cream, and mouthwash forms. While neem oil is generally applied to the scalp or skin to treat conditions like dandruff and acne, the extract of the neem leaf is typically taken orally. In some cases, the bark, the flowers, and then the fruit on it itself of the neem tree is also used medicinally. Now let's look at some health benefits. Although few scientific studies have been tested, the health effects of neem, there is some evidence that it may offer certain benefits. Here is a look at some key findings from available research. Number 1, dental health. Neem may help fight plaque buildup and prevent gingivitis, several studies suggest. In addition, a study published indicated that the use of chewing stick made with neem extract may help protect against the buildup of bacteria associated with cavity formation and periodontal disease. Number 2, dandruff. Anecdotal evidence suggests neem oil helps relieve dandruff, but the precise mechanism of action is unclear. Dandruff can be caused by dry skin, a fungal infection, constant dermatitis, or other skin conditions. Neem oil's natural antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties may help treat the underlying cause of a flaking scalp and relieve your symptoms. Number 3, acne. The topical application of neem oil may be helpful in the treatment of acne and other skin conditions due to its anti-inflammatory and microbial properties. Number 4, ulcers. Neem shows promise in the treatment of gastric ulcers, suggests a 2009 report from the phytotherapy research. Analyzing findings from preliminary studies, scientists concluded that neem bark extract supplement may help aid in ulcer control, possibly by inhibiting the secretion of gastric acid. Now let's look at some possible side effects. Neem supplements are likely safe for adults when taken orally for a short period of time, but they should not be used in children or pregnant women. There is not enough research in support its safety while breastfeeding. Yes, so we need to look at all these things. Now, while doses of up to 60 milligrams daily for up to 10 weeks have been safely used in human research, little is known about the safety of the long-term use of the neem supplement. Since neem may increase activity in immune system, it's crucial for people with autoimmune disorders such as multiple sclerosis, the lupus, and the rheumatoid arthritis to take caution when using the neem. People who are taking immune suppressants should not take neem unless under doctor's supervision. Now, in addition, people taking diabetes medication should consult their physician prior to using the neem, because neem may reduce blood sugar levels. Using it in combination with diabetes medications may cause blood sugar to drop to dangerously low levels. Neem may have a negative interactions with lithium, altering the body's ability to metabolize the drug and could lead to dangerous interactions. Now, there is also some concern that neem may cause damage to the kidneys and liver and may lower your sperm count if taken in excess. So let's take note of that. Though rare serious adverse reactions have been reported in both children and adults after swallowing the neem oil, neem is safe for topical use when diluted in other oils, topical preparations, lice treatment, and shampoos. However, it is not advisable to apply undiluted neem oil directly to the skin. It may cause irritation. Now let's look at some selection, preparation, and the storage levels. Widely available for purchase online, neem can also be found in many dietary supplements and natural food stores, in capsules, in tincture powder, oil, cream, shampoo, and mouthwash form. The type of neem product you choose will depend on the reason you are choosing. For example, a cream for skin concerns versus a mouthwash for dental issues. So the neem oil should be diluted in a carrier oil, such as coconut or grapeseed oil, prior to applying it to the skin. There is no standard dosing for neem, as there is not enough scientific evidence to support a recommendation. So follow the instructions on the product label. Now, some common questions people ask: is neem an effective insect repellent? Now, when it comes to repelling mosquitoes and other insects, neem oil works similarly to the citronella. You can use it as an insect repellent by applying diluted neem oil to the skin, burning a neem candle or incense, or mixing the neem oil with kerosene in an oil lamp or lantern, and it will work perfectly for you. Now, does neem oil kill lice? Yes. In fact, there are a few anti-lice shampoos that contain neem oil on the market. One study found a 10-minute treatment with a neem-based product sufficiently killed lice and eggs. So as with other lice treatments, it is recommended to use a fine tooth comb after rinsing hair and follow up with a second treatment if necessary. What types of hair are neem oil products recommended for? Now, shampoos, conditions, hair oils, and similar hair care products containing neem are promoted for a wider variety of their types. So neem medicated shampoos are recommended for people with dandruff or thinning hairlines. People with curly or natural black hair may find that neem oil conditioners and leave-in treatments help moisturize and tame frizz. Now, neem oil shampoos are also promoted for people with fine hair looking to increase the volume of your hair. This is where we end today's episode on Health Zone. Make sure you like, share on Facebook, on Instagram, share to your friends. Let them also learn about the neem plants, the leaves and the bark, and all the uses that I taught you today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll be notified anytime we make a post. Thanks for watching.